Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete your Google Drive or remove Google Drive data from your Google account, follow these step-by-step instructions carefully. Step 1. Understand that deleting Google Drive content is different from deleting your entire Google account. Decide which action you want to take before proceeding. Step 2. If you only want to delete files in Google Drive, log into drive.google.com. Select the files or folders you want to delete. Right-click and choose Remove or click the trash icon. Step 3. To permanently delete files, go to the trash folder in Google Drive, select the files, and click Delete Forever. This action cannot be undone. Step 4. If you want to stop using Google Drive but keep your Google account, simply stop uploading files and uninstall the Google Drive app from your devices. Step 5. To delete your entire Google account, including Google Drive, Gmail, and all Google services, go to myaccount.google.com and sign in. Step 6. In your Google account settings, navigate to Data and Privacy section from the left menu. Step 7. Scroll down to find the option More Options and click on Delete your Google account. Read the warning carefully, as this will permanently delete all your Google services. Step 8. Confirm your identity by entering your password. Review what will be deleted, check the acknowledgement boxes, and click Delete Account to permanently remove your Google account and all associated data, including Google Drive. Make sure to download any important files before deletion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.